How to open Google Drive in mobile. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel because it helps the channel grow. Now heading to the video, first go on Play Store and you can search for Drive, and Google Drive will show here. If it's not updated, if it's not downloaded, you can download it. Okay, once that is done, you have to install it completely, and it's getting installed. Then you can open it, and this is how you can access Google Drive on your phone. Here it's opened. The other way to do that is you can go back to your home screen. You can go on Chrome. Once you open Chrome, here you can search Drive, and here on Chrome itself you can log in Google Drive, and it will ask you which you have to click on OK, and it can open your Google Drive here, but if you don't have the app, it will open it on the Chrome browser itself. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.